So we have already discussed the divisibility test for 11 in our previous videos. So if you haven't watched that video, you can go to the description and check out the link for those videos. Okay, so here we are going to implement the divisibility test for 11, which we have already discussed in the previous video. Okay, so this is exercise number 3.3, question number 4. Okay, so it says using divisibility test determine which of the following numbers are divisible by 11, right? So here the first example is 5445. Okay, so as per what we have discussed for the divisibility test for 11, so the first step for the divisibility test for 11 is we will add all the digits at odd places, right? So in our case 5445, our odd places will be 1, 3, right? That's it. So sum of digits at odd places will be 5 plus 4, right? 5 plus 4, it will be 9, right? So now the second step that we have already discussed, which is now we will do sum of digits at even places. So even places will be second place, fourth place, right? So second place we have 4 and fourth we have 5. So it will be 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5. Okay. So sum of digits at even places comes out to be 4 plus 5, which is again 9. Okay. So the third step in the divisibility test for 11 is what we will do. We will subtract this from this. Okay. We will subtract the sums that we have got. Okay. So the difference will be 9 minus 9. Okay. So it will be 9 minus 9, which is nothing but 0. Now the divisibility test for 11 says if this difference is either 0 or a multiple of 11. Okay, if the difference is either 0 or a multiple of 11, then the number is divisible by 11. Okay, right? So in our case the difference is what? 0. So if the difference is 0, we can say this number is divisible by 11. Now the second part, B part, which is 10,824. Now again, step 1, we will do sum of all the digits at odd places. So here the odd places will be first, third and fifth, right? So the sum of digits at odd places will be 4 plus 8 plus 1, right? So it will be 4 plus 8, 12, 12 plus 1, 13. Now the second step is, so this is the first step, let me write, this is the second step and this is the final step, right? So the second step, sum of digits at even places. Even places are what? This one, second place and fourth place. So it will be 2 plus 0, right? Sum of digits at even places will be 2 plus 0, which is nothing but 2. Okay, so the final step is difference between this and this, right? So the difference will be 13 minus 2, 13 minus 2. 13 minus 2 is what? 11, right? So divisibility test for 11 says if this difference is either 0 or a multiple of 11, then the whole number is divisible by 11, right? In our case the difference comes out to be 11. Therefore this whole number, that is 10,824, is divisible by 11. Okay. So third part says the number is 71,38,965. Okay. Step 1, sum of digits at odd places. Odd places will be first place, third place, fifth place and seventh place, right? So it will be 5 plus 9 plus 3 plus 7. Okay. 5 plus 9, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. 17 plus 7 is 24. Right? Step 2, sum of digits at even places. So even places will be second place, fourth place and sixth place. Right? So it will be 6 plus 8 plus 1. 6 plus 8 plus 1. What's the sum? 6 plus 8, 14, 14 and 1, 15. Right? Now the final step, difference between this sum and this sum. So it will be 24 minus 15. What it will be? 24 minus 15 is 9. Okay. So as per the divisibility test for 11, if this difference is either 0 or a multiple of 11, then only the number is divisible by 11. But in our case, the difference is 9, which is neither 0 nor a multiple of 11, right? Therefore, this whole number is not divisible by 11. D part is 7 crore 1 lakh 69,308. Okay. So the step 1, sum of digits at odd places. Odd places will be first, third, fifth and seventh, right? So it will be 8 plus 3 plus 6 plus 0. It will be 8 plus 3 plus 6 plus 0. Okay. So the sum will be 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 6, 17. 17 plus 0 is 17. Okay. Step 2, sum of digits at even places. Even places will be 0, second place, fourth place and sixth place and eighth. Right. So it will be 0 plus 9 plus 1 plus 7. 0 plus 9 plus 1 plus 7. Okay. So what will be the sum? 0 plus 9 is 9, 9 plus 1 10 and 7 17. So the final step, difference between what? This and this. So it will be 17 minus 17. 17 minus 17, which is nothing but 0. Okay. So as per the divisibility test for 11, if the difference is 0, it means this number is divisible by 11. Okay. Simple. Now let's quickly move to E part. Let me erase this. Okay. So E part is 1 crore 1. Okay. So it is 1 crore 0 lakhs 0,001. Right. So we will call it 1 crore 1. Right. So first is sum of digits at odd places. Now let's find the odd places. It will be first, third, fifth and seventh. Okay. What will be the sum? 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. Okay. So it will be 1. Right. Simple. Okay. Step 2, sum of digits at even places. Even places will be second, fourth, sixth and eighth. Right. So the sum will be 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1. 0, 0, 0 and 1. Again the sum is 1. Final step, difference. Difference will be 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1, which is nothing but 0. Okay. So as per the divisibility test for 11, if the difference is 0, therefore this if the difference is 0, the number is divisible by 11. Okay. Which says the number is 9,01,153. Again, sum of digits at odd places. Odd places will be first, third, fifth. Right. So the sum will be 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1 plus 0. It will be 4. Okay. Now sum of digits at even places will be 2, 4 and 6th place. Right. So the sum will be 5 plus 1 plus 9. Right. 5 plus 1 plus 9. 5 plus 1 6. 6 and 9 15. Right. Final step, difference. So here the difference will be 15 minus 4. 15 minus 4. Okay. 15 minus 4 is nothing but 11. Okay. So as per the divisibility test for 11, if the difference is 0 or a multiple of 11, which is 11, right, in our case. So we can say that this number is divisible by 11.